To remove, inspect, and replace the QuickDrive belt on a Polaris RMK Khaos, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface and set the parking brake. Allow the vehicle to cool completely to prevent the risk of burns. Remove the right side panel by releasing the rubber strap and unlatching the 2 quarter-turn latches. Inspect the QuickDrive belt for excessive wear, frayed edges, missing cogs, loose cords, and cracks. If replacing, remove the plastic rivets securing the fender to the console. Carefully move the fender out of the way. If equipped with a battery, remove the battery and battery bracket. Always remember to remove the negative battery cable first to prevent arcing. Place a protective mat on the left side of the sled. Safely tip the snowmobile onto its left side to aid in QuickDrive service. Remove the upper and lower sprocket fasteners. Discard both fasteners. Remove both sprockets and the QuickDrive belt as an assembly. Work both sprockets off each shaft equally to prevent belt binding. If a sprocket stops moving, it may have been pulled out too far in relation to the other sprocket. Realign the sprockets and continue working off the drive shafts. Remove the belt from the sprockets and inspect the sprocket teeth and surfaces for damage. Replace if needed. The flange on the upper sprocket must face away from the brake disc. The lower sprocket must be installed flange side in. The belt and sprockets must be installed as an assembly, with the arrow on the belt pointing in the direction of forward vehicle travel. Do not backbend the QuickDrive belt. Doing so will break the belt cords, causing the belt to prematurely fail. Release the parking brake to aid in sprocket installation. Install the upper sprocket onto the jack shaft. After the sprocket engages with the jack shaft splines, install the lower sprocket onto the drive shaft. Slowly work each sprocket evenly onto the drive shafts. Continue to work between each sprocket until both are fully seated. If sprockets will not slide down the splines, the belt is binding. Pull up slightly on the sprockets to realign the belt. Set the parking brake to hold the sprockets during fastener installation. Using the original domed washers, install new upper and lower sprocket fasteners or apply Loctite 242 to the original bolts if not replacing. The dome on the washers should face outward. Torque the fasteners to specification. Safely tip the snowmobile back onto its skis. If needed, reinstall the battery bracket and ensure the harness is properly retained in the bracket. Then, install the battery, connecting the positive cable first to prevent arcing, and then the negative. Reconnect the side panel trims and reinstall the 3 push rivets. Reinstall the right side panel by aligning the tabs on the bottom and top. Secure the rubber strap and latch the 2 quarter-turn latches. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.